Okay, we'll try this again. Try this again and not get a troll bomb in a chest. And immediately die because of it. Lust. How you doing, Lust? Love you, babe. Gonna do that. Damage, there we go. There's the sauce. The sauce for the boss. Alright. Easy peasy pumpkin pie. Damage up into my eye. Pour your damage down my thighs. You'll never figure my disguise. A bomb for a bomb? What a deal. No secret room, or I missed. Both of which are possible. Kill flies, please. Please, kill flies. Kill flies, please. Okay, I'm just gonna put a bomb here. And get a chest. That is, wow. I think that's the worst golden chest I've ever seen. Get away from me. You piece of garbage. What's up, Dak? Sure, I'll take Epiphora. Epiphora on these nuts. Okay, what's going on? My brain's collapsing and we're like 20 minutes in. Not even, 10 minutes in. 10 minutes into the stream and her brain is already goo. That's a record, I think. Get out of here. Get out of here and take your stinky body with you. Get out of here. Get out of here. No, this is Patrick. Famine. Yeah, I'll probably suck cubes of meat. Is it true that I have no respect for cubes of meat? Yes. Oh right, I forgot I have Epiphora. That's why I'm shooting faster and faster and faster and faster. But I don't move faster and faster and faster, and so I got shot. Yeah, Ball Bandit just gets sucked into a speed upgrade. Yoo-hoo! Oh, I think it was also a fire rate upgrade, but because of Epiphora going away, I lost... overall lost, shit. Fire rate, that's what it's called. Gravy. My brain sure ain't working too good. We'll go on down, though. We'll head on down. Head on dizzly doodly downwards. Didn't get any soul hearts, because why would I? Ooh. You hear those fingies? Yummy. Okay. Cellar 2. Something good. Yes. Mom's perfume is very good. Oh, that's Mully Booms. Oh, that's Mully Booms. Okay, stick over there. Thank you. Stay away from me. I don't want your bullshit. Stay away from me. I can barely handle it. Oh boy, Claudies. Oh no, Claudies. Oh boy, I didn't know those things did contact damage, but now I have a 30% devil chance instead of a 63%. Or 100% actually, it would have been. Wow, and I can't do this curse room now because there's a fucking Claudie. Claudies do Pilates. Didn't you know? Oh fuck, this is gonna suck ass. Okay. That was fun. I thought it would be nasty. Absolutely nasty. But then it was fine. It wasn't schmuggly, nasty, icky poo-poo, as I expected it to be. Schmuggly? Is that even a word? Yay, red health. I'm gonna go waste it. Wait, no, I'm gonna get the secret room and not have to waste it. Watch this big brain move. Bazinga! Yay. Bomb? No. Okay, if I get another bomb, I'll come do the cursed room. Otherwise, I will probably just take the red health damage on the cursed room. Wow, this room sucks, and always has sucked, and Edge take it out of the game because it's random damage. Oh. Except when you're good, like me, so Ed, it's fine in the game, actually. You can leave it. I was joking around, just a little jape. A little chuckle between friends. Because I can go into my shop. I have 3 keys, so I can go into my shop if I want. Wow, I knew he was just gonna jump an absolute fucking mile. Hey. Get out of here. Thank you. Sure, I'll do this first. Oh, it's just Blighted Ovum, okay. Wow. Not like I could avoid that. Bitch. Yeah, certainly not getting my Devil Deal now, then. Oh my gosh, the Fear Shot is so annoying. My whole strategy about Blighted Ovum revolves around him chasing me, and then he runs the fuck away. Like some kind of little bitch. I'll take that money. Okay. Then let's go into the shop, and I guess I'll do the Cursed Room. I'm gonna do the Cursed Room first room. Maybe I should do the shop first. Nah, Cursed Room first. I ain't no bitch. Okay, don't blow up and kill me. Okay, thank you. I guess I could have gotten them to blow a hole into the secret room, but whatever. Blue map. That's just a yes for me. And a 2-cent red heart. Much appreciated. I don't have a bomb to get that, but, you know, I know where it is. Knowledge is power, except when you don't have any power. I have one viewer. Oh, a planetarium. Uranus is really, really fucking good. What the hell? Tower, Ace of Diamonds. Freezy boy? Freezy boy. Get Freezy boy. Get Freezy boy. Filigree Feather. Sure, I'll take Filigree Feather. And I will grab the Tower card and use it to get into my secret room that's right here. Go that way. Go that way. Oh, okay, thank you. I thought it wasn't gonna hit for a second. I was like, bruh. But it's fine. It's fine. I got it. I did it. It's cool. What's this? What's this? It's an Ace of Diamonds. Oh, right. These boys get freezy. They're the freezy boys. Gonna let the beat drop. It's a Beastie Boys joke. Tears down. Tears down. Ass up. That's the way we like it. Here at Joe's Mother Productions. Hey. Hey, okay. Had I really not taken red health damage until then? Fuck. Nope. Ace of Diamonds. Nope. Nope, that's just a nope from me. That's just a no. That's just a no thanks, that's a fuck you, actually. Actually, game. Like, instead of a no thanks, it's just a fuck off. I do not want it. I do not like it. Get away with that BS. That means bull shrimp. I nearly died right then and there. I would have done a full art of damage, and I would have died. Wow, red health, yay! I guess it is actually kind of useful, because I do seem to be kind of low on the resource that is red health. Ugh. Uranus, go! Yeah, baby. Babies? Oh, when they freeze, they don't do the four-way. The four-way shooty caboody, which is nice. Huh. Hoop's just poppin', dude. Hoop's absolutely poppin'. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sure, we can fight the boss with this. Oh, it's Gertie. Hi, Gertie. Fuck. I just hope the room doesn't fill with frozen shit, and I die because of it. still have not gotten a Devil Deal, and I'm not going to, probably. Oh, I forgot I have Epiphora. Huh. That's nice to have. Not that I'm really using it often, but it is nice to have. I didn't see that he was gonna shoot. Nah. It gave me damage anyway, and fire rate. I am so cool. Okay, 5 damage, 3 fire rate, got Uranus, got Epiphora. We're rocking. We're rocking and rolling, baby. This run's looking pretty schnasty. Uranus is just a really good item. I think I like all of the planetarium items well enough. There are some that I like better than others, but I think overall. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Sorry, had to get it out. Gotta let it out, gotta let it out. Where's my item room? It's around here somewhere. I can smell it. There it is. Wow. Yeah, I love playing Polyon because I don't have to take Betrayal. Filigree Feather's gonna be worthless. Because I'm on, what, Caves 1? So if I get one next floor, I might get an Angel Room, maybe. Okay, what's in here? What's all the fuss about these cursed rooms, eh? What's all the fuss about these pills, eh? Ooh! Well, it's so-so, actually. Because I don't have anything else to use it on other than Betrayal. Which I turned into a luck upgrade and a shot speed upgrade. Yay! My favorite. Okay, now we can... What? No. We can... Oh. Go get these hearts that are in the super secret room. This room may be super secret, but what if your secret's super duper? Oh, my room is super secret, and my secret's super duper. What you gonna do when I jam it in your poopa? And that's pupa, P-U-P-A. Ooh. Shmoney. That's schnice. Some dollars. Ugh. Don't touch me. Fuck. Fuck penis. That's what I say. Every time I eat like a really good sandwich, I just go, fuck penis. That's a lie. That's a fib. I'm sorry for lying to you. I just don't want. Yeah! Stinky eye, more like. I'm sorry, Pinky Eye, I love you. You're my child. You're my son. Yo. You're my child, you're my son, you're the sperm that won the race. So put on a nice face and spray some mace in the eyes of all of your competition. Oof. Yikes. Okay. Perthrow rune, maybe, would be in order here. Or just no. The trinket could be really good. Because then I'd never get active items and I'd always be able to suck. 100% suck rate? Okay, I am losing health. And I think I should stop. Personally, it's not good for my health if I'm dying. Is there health in... It says there's health in this room. Oh, it's over spikes, though. That's how they get you. They're like, ew, health. Dangle it in front of your eyes, and then shabam. You're dead. Put a bomb here. I wanna talk to you, Mr. Stinker. Give me a health upgrade. Huh? I got 24 coins for you. Oh, yeah, baby. Breakfast. Breakfast of Champions. Breakfast. The item. Spoiled milk. Or spoiled. With a T. I hear that's somehow how some of you yokels pronounce fuck. Spoiled. Ah! They just whip around and snipe you. Bonies are fucking hard to deal with, man. I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. I'm full of soup. And not in the good way. It's like an uncomfortable full. Catacombs 2. I'm fine to fight the boss, which is Polystinkulus. I don't remember what they're actually called. Is it Polycephalus? It might be. It might also not be. I have no idea. Carrion Queen, by the way, is the name of the worm lady with the tail. Yeah. Damage and range, 6.43 damage, and I got some range. Damage and range, fucking range. Just stepped on spikes, but I got some range. I got some damage and range. Oh yeah, baby, I got some damage and range. Oh yeah, it's damage and range. Alright. Die, buttlickers. Shazam. It's me, Shazam. Ooh. Leave? They don't break into little buddies when they freeze? What the fuck? Fucking beans! Yo, that would have been really nice before the boss fight. I should have taken that. Because now I'm gonna lose it before the next floor. Yo, they don't even turn into fucking bonies because they freeze. Yo, Uranus is so good to eat.
Shot speed down.
Just gonna ignore that one. Those words that I said, they didn't happen. Who? Who? Who are you? Why are you here? What do you want? These guys need to get out of here. These guys need to get out of here. Look at them all. They're all frozen. Uranus is so good of an item in Isaac the Binding of. And not in any other way. Welcome to hell. Speed and luck. Fine. I didn't want to spawn Micro Isaacs when I took damage anyway. Shooting me is just a bad idea. Thanks, babe. Hello, me. It's a bad fucking trip again. Ugh. Ooh, speed up. 1.5 speed. I'm a tiny baby, but I go fast. I'll fuck you up and then eat your ass. Does Dreamcatcher still do... Yeah, okay. Still gives me a half soul heart every floor, which I want, because then I can get a devil deal. Maybe on Necro 1, and then maybe get an angel room. On Necro 2. Yikes. This is a bit rough. It's a bit spicy. It's a bit dicey. There are spikes in this next room. There aren't, but it's always good to be prepared. Okay. Dank depths. These depths are pretty dank indeed. Not cool, man. Not cool. Just not cool. Wait, I have that before. Just fucking zoop this way. Okay, gonna change to zooping this way because I don't want to take damage. Okay, these idiots are scared. That idiot's frozen, and then the other one froze too. Oh, a soul heart. You're so kind to me, game. In my times of darkest need, of deepest need? Oh, yeah. I was like, this room is really easy, and then there were needles in the floor that wanted to poke at my feetsies. Alright, I'm totally going the way of the boss, by the way. The boss is totally in this direction. Yo, what the fuck? I didn't know they did that. What the fuck? Okay, that's wacky. Wacky and strange, and a little bit deranged. Oh, hello. Goodbye. Please, thank you. It just neutralizes enemies that do shit on death. It's so good. Because, like, instead of doing a thing on death, it just won't. It'll just freeze. I gotta, right? I gotta. 1 damage soy milk? Pog? Bomb? Give me life. It's greed. Yes, dodge into the bullets. Dodge into the bullets. That's how you win. Fucking idiot dodging into the bullets. Just don't, forehead. Callus prevents damage from freaking spikes. There's an item that does that now, and it is Orphan Socks. Yay! Socks for orphans. Night. Yeah, baby. Soy milk. That was just bad damage. He got afraid, so he turned away, and then he got shot in the back of the head. Yo, this room sucks. Yo, I thought he was frozen. He wasn't. There goes my double deal. Oh well. I guess I just don't. This just isn't a devil deal or angel deal run. You just don't get them on this run. Is what I have been. Which is the conclusion I have come to. Okay. Oh, other way was boss. I'm amazed. Wow. Fuck off. These usually group together, and this time they just didn't. They hang out in packs. The gooey butt lickers hang out in packs. Cool, red chest. Cool, super troll bomb. Man, these secret rooms have been real stink, honestly. Like, ooh, blue map. That's so useful. I'll get so many cool things from my secret rooms, and then it's just absolute garbage repeatedly. It's awesome. Oh, right, I forgot these guys throw bones as well as being general shitheads. Go away. Oh, Golden Bomb. Nice. Oh, another curse room with nothing in it? You shouldn't have.
What makes you...
I'm even smaller. You'll never catch me. You'll never see me. You'll never find me. This is gonna have Cricket's head in it. It didn't. Boss room, please? Any minute now. I don't have flight, do I? No, I'm just super small. Yo, that idiot was frozen. Yo, this idiot's gonna be frozen. Okay, he's not frozen. He's frozen? Like from the movie Frozen? Hey. 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 Calm down. You'll get your due. Your duty. Poop joke. Not even. It's like a half-assed one, but tish. Double butt joke. Butt wait, there's more. There isn't. That was a lie. But what if there was? That was kind of weak. Weak. Yeah, I know I am. What's it to you? Yeah, I got shrimp arms. What, you don't like shrimp? You have a thing against shrimp? Well, shrimp need the ocean to live, dumbass. What? I just don't know at this point. Didn't you know life needs things to live? Wow, cool trap. I sure do love room with way too many knights. I bet that's what Eddie called it in his files. Like, if you want to teleport to this room in the game console or whatever, you have to type out room with too many knights. KNIGHT, of course. Double trouble. Megamon and Dingle? Wow. Ugh. Please just die, Dingle. You're so close. Thank you. And Megamon's easy to fight in this large room. Large room, Megamon. I got a Devil Deal? Are you kidding me? Okay. Well, I think I take this and then I peek in here and see what's up. Okay, I could get 2/3 Guppy. It also spawn Ghost from killing an enemy. Sure, I'll take Hungry Soul. Do I touch Guppy's paw? I think I do. And then I do this and this and this. I take my Void back. Avoid the Noid. Am I right, gamers? Or am I right, gamers? Or am I left, gamers? Ooh. Curveball. Can you just die, please? I'm shooting so many tears. Should be epifornication. Wait. I have epiphora. Wait. Yes, 40 tears per second. My favorite. Okay. Get these open. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ah, but because I took Guppy's paw, I have, fucking Devil Chance instead of Angel Chance. Which, you know, was fine, because I didn't keep Filigree Feather or anything. But I don't know, just interesting. What? I don't know either, folks. My brain ain't doing. Period. I probably could have made it out, but whatever. I'm so small, the rocks can't touch me. Oh, hello, ghost friend. Goodbye, ghost friend. See you in the next life, ghost friend. I'm gonna go down. Down, down to Goblin Town. Hey, bitch. Open up. Dental appointment. Okay, yeah, right. Can you fuckers open up? Just open your goddamn goob. Open your fucking mouth. Thank you. Oh my golly gravy. Good gosh. Yeah. More spike chests. Good. Didn't want that bone heart anyway. Yeah, tears down Bill. Yeah. Okay, we're doing fine. We're actually doing fine. I think we're doing fine. 1 damage soy milk is just solid. That's S-O-L-I-D, not S-A-L. We're not talking veggies here, folks. Again, what the fuck are you gabbling about? What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? What? Nothing died and yet there are ghosts? Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get him, boy. Yeah, baby. Charge key? Sure, I'll keep it around. Keep it around? Yikes. Bit cringy, eh? Epifornication. Do. Can't touch me. Oh, can't touch me, bitch. Get over here. Get over here. That's what I thought. Yeah, I'm shooting 40 tears a second directly into your face. Bam. Oh no. Well, it's fine, because it's spiders. Well, I'm getting a little overwhelmed. Just a little overwhelmed. Just a little overwhelmed. Okay, it's not that bad, actually. Oh, and also they don't do their on death things. Oh my god, there are so many ghosts. Get them. Yes, look at all my friends. Look at all these friends I have. They're red and enraged. Damage, 0.2 damage up. Very good when I have soy milk. Oh, just a black heart. Free. Suck it, Ma. Suck it, Mom's hands. Ugh. Bitch. What the fuck? Oh, that one had fear. That's why I wasn't coming down. Blue candle is a maybe, but probably a no. Gotta get kind of close, but then I just really fuck them up. Necro 2, okay, mom fight, obviously. Don't want to do the cursed room, because, I don't know, it's kind of cursed. Dude, I put out these fires with ease. Okay, that one shot at me. I'm gonna stick with Pinky Eye, I think. Like, don't get me wrong, Red Patch is alright, but I'd rather not get hit, so I'm gonna try and not get hit instead of getting hit. Okay, I have a charged key on the floor, so I'll just go pick that up. There's nowhere else on the floor for me to go, except for the super duper secret room, but I don't have a way to get there. So, oh. Can I go 3 at a time? No, okay. Whatever, it's fine. I don't want error. I want Pinky Eye. Give me the ghosts. Give me the ghosts, then give me a win. Oh yeah, look at all these ghosts I'm gonna have. Look at all these friends. Well, currently I only have one friend, but they'll come. They'll come. They always do. They come at my command, which is like right now, please. Thanks, babe. The ghosts are kind of rare, actually. Looks like it was just that one giant room with all the flies in it. It was absolutely nutty because there were so many enemies. Should be able to kill her pretty quick here. Well, as soon as she stops spawning enemies. Ow. Cool. No double deal. What did I expect? No spicy cum rocks either, so I'll just take the Polaroid and go down. Down, down, baby, down by the roller coaster. Sweet, sweet baby, never gonna void your items. That is just a lie, actually. I'll void all your items. Yeah, it's a really big lie. I'll void all your items. Okay. Take a walk on the wild side. Bruh, chill, maybe? Straight chillin'? Oh, do these guys not burst either? They don't. Oh my gosh. This game's so cool and fun. I'll go up, I suppose. I suppose I'll go upwards. Right. Oh, if I had fucking, what is it? Funny tears? Protective tears? This would be over. Get over here. I don't want to have to. Oh, thank you. Oh, he charged again. I thought he'd charged twice, 3 times already. But he had not. That's really good. I think I'll keep Sigil of Baphomet, though. That's really good. Or, not Sigil of Baphomet. Fucking, Pinky Eye. See, if I can guide them here, then it's just, like, murders? Ooh. Chill, 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 chill. Come around this way. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, run away. Run away, you stinky bitch. I wouldn't lust after you for anything. Bad trip. Oh, yeah, I think I'll not take it, actually. I'll blow it up with a bomb. Well, that was just poor planning. Ooh, golden key. Not that I have any chests to unlock as of yet, but could be useful in the future, I suppose. Wow, this room kind of sucks. Not gonna lie, this kind of blows. I don't have the power to kill 2 of these without taking damage. Come on. Come on. You're almost down. There we go. I can't use that. 2 of diamonds. Sure. 94 cents. I guess I've just been going towards the secret rooms. I haven't really been searching for the boss. Which I could do, I suppose. Oh my god. The ghosts are just taking them all out. Get them out of here. Get these idiots out of here. Okay. What's in here? A chest. Don't mind if I do. Ooh, luck up. Yay. Not really super useful at the moment, but I have it. Could be useful come the chest, I suppose. Charge this way, idiot. Not your maggots, you. Oh my god. Just die. It's just Chubb. I shouldn't have difficulty with fucking Chubb. With defeating Chubb, I should say. Oh boy, 2 Geminis. My favorite. Delicious. Okay, this isn't super busted, but it's good. This run, I mean. Okay, deal with the angry baby. Deal with the angry baby. Kill the angry baby. Kill it. Thank you. Oh, and it's a ghost! Yo, idiot baby got turned into a ghost. Gonna be killed by your ghost baby friend. Yeah. Alright, sure, I'll bomb in from this room, because I know exactly where to put the bomb. That's a lot of this run, is just, meh. Except Uranus is really good, and, yep. Soy milk's alright. Soy milk's alright. Bomb for a bomb? I'll always take that deal. Unidentified pill. Ooh, secrets. It could be really good. It could be a tears up. We all know it's gonna be a bad pill, right? I mean, look me straight in the eyes and tell me this pill that is unidentified isn't going to be hot garbage. Exactly. Yay, I love taking double damage for the room. Not this room, but the room I was just in. Yeah, we're just gonna let those all finish each other. Pinky rock? No. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Hey, yep, it's fine. See? It's fine. It's good and fine and cool and good and fine. Womb 1? I thought this was Womb 2. Gotta make more womb in my memory. Hey. No. Get out of here. Leave. Stinker. Big stinker. You're a big stinker. You're a big stinker. You're a big stinker. Dang it. I almost did it without taking damage, but then I took damage. Story of my life, am I right? Yes, actually, Dark Bomb. I don't want too spooky for you. Eat this. No, eat it. Don't let it... Fucking running red hearts? What the hell is this? Get it. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Hey, Dark Bomb. Hey, Dark Bomb. Come on. Pick it up. I ain't got all day. You and the boys got the juice, I ain't got all day. Yo, that's really useful, having that card in the middle of the fucking room. Justice, okay. At least it was a useful card. And, I mean, minimally useful, but useful nonetheless. Yo, look at all those tears. I bet I can cry harder than you can. Okay. Onward and downward. To Womb 2. Where's the fucking soup secret? Okay, guess I'll go find the super secret room, if you insist. Thought for a second Dark Bum was gonna do anything, and then I remembered that it's Dark Bum. He just kind of chills. Get him. Yeah! Okay. There's no way this is... Yeah, this is not the way to the super secret room. It's the other direction. Having all these fellers here kinda blows. Can go to the left and clear this room, I guess. I guess I'll clear this room. Okay, skip it about stupid ghosts. I mean, my really fun and cool ghost buddies killed some flies, so they shot, and I took damage. Oh, does it nullify blue champions too? I think it does. It's pretty awesome. This is a pretty awesome item, Uranus. Okay. That's fine. I'm gonna go to the left here. Oh, damn it. This is... I doubt this is the way to the boss. I guess it's this way and then up. Oh, I don't know how I didn't take damage there, but well, sure, whatever. Okay. Sure, D20. Ooh, chest. A tears down? Oh my gosh, you shouldn't have. Judgment. Jugment. Ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da da. Give me more damage, yeah. I didn't need the bomb for that. What the fuck was I thinking? Oh, everything got D20'd. Right. What the hell? Store credit? There aren't even any more shops. What is going on? Oh, this must go to the left then? Yeah, okay. Oh my lordy loo. Okay, well. What did you really expect? Oh, no. I'm not gonna touch that. That's gonna miss. Yeah. Yay, soul art. Oh boy, I sure do love me a good soul heart. Get these shits out of here. Come on, ghosty buddies. Oh, they don't follow through rooms. That'd be so cool if they did. And I get like a big ol' army. Okay, devil. Plus 0.5 damage, look out. It's actually a lot for soy milk. Yeah. Kinda gonna have to not get hit by you instead. Is my choice. Oh, okay, I thought I dodged it, but... Oh, okay, my hitbox is slightly larger than it looks like. Only very slightly, but it is larger. Which is good to know. Okay, it happened again. Take it. Hey, Blackheart. Got the item? Krampus. Okay, it happened again. I swear, my hitbox looks way smaller than it actually is, which is unfortunate because it's making me take damage that I shouldn't take. Umpicle? Yeah, baby. Up we go. With 4 soul hearts. I don't know about this. I don't know about that one. I might get in this room. No. Okay. I want to go to the secret rooms. Okay, this room really sucks. I'm gonna let my ghost take care of that guy as much as I can. Okay. This sucks, dude. This sucks. Okay. Leave. Oh, leave. Act like a tree. Pretend you're a tree. Pretend you're a tree and go away. Give me black art? No. Give me a chest. What's in here? Oh, it's a greed fight. Haven't seen one of these yet this fucking run, so I guess it was inevitable. Oh well. Maybe I'll get Steam Sale. I think I'm gonna die here. I just need the health. That's why I took that. I know it's not glamorous or special or anything, but I really just need the health. If I can freeze a couple guys for the next round. Oh. Fuck. Just kill them. Just kill them. Relax. It's not that hard. And 2 greeds, yeah. I might not have made it out of this fucking room without taking Cracker Jacks. I mean, I would have, but it would have been so fucking close. Thank you for the black card. This way must be the way. This way is the way. This way is the way. This way is the way, the way, the way, the way, the way. What is with this game and giving me tears down pills? I don't understand. Like, I've gotten so many. I will overwhelm you with sheer firepower. Okay, and then I'm gonna wait for the fire to go out before I touch the key. Because otherwise, I might have died. Which would have been unfortunate. For a run where I'm trying to not die. Okay. Come on. Die, thank you. Sack room has nothing. Super secret room has 2 sacks that really don't amount to anything. I want black hearts. Give them to me. Our card is nice. Oh, the stars. Wow. That's a really good card. Sure am glad I got the stars card. In a run where there are no item rooms anymore because it's the fucking cathedral. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ugh, my soda's gold. Okay. Not better than Pinky Eye, I don't think. I don't think so. Ooh. Ooh. This is bad. This is a rough room, holy. I mean, I know it's just a boss, but... And not an especially difficult one either. I'm just scared because I'm at 2.5 hearts. And I know I'm gonna take damage on the Isaac fight, because I always take damage on the Isaac fight, because I have difficulty with the Isaac fight, because I'm bad at the game. Okay. Oh my gosh, what are these room layouts? Or floor layouts, I should say. What is this specific floor layout? What's going on? Ah. Please, some health. Please, sir, may I have some health? No, just bucket boys? Just bucket boys that don't take the fucking pots that they're supposed to? Well, I literally can't hit anything in this room until this fella takes these pots. Thank you. Now take the other one. Now take the fucking other one. Golly, I hate rooms that make me have to wait for shit while I just dodge garbage. No, I don't want swallowed penny. What's in here? Health. For Dark Bomb? To give you nothing. Okay. What about this one? Health? No. Okay. Isaac fight. I might go a little quiet here because I'm gonna be concentrating. Because I'm at 1.5 hearts. Okay, well I was headed downwards and that was just unavoidable. Okay. Is he done? He's done. Yeah. Give me a black heart, please. Thank you, Dark Bomb. Saving this run. The laughs in chest. I know this isn't gonna do anything, but I'll take it for the next run. Oh, it actually did. Huh. And I'll suck both of these for overall nothing important. Okay, 2 super lusts to start us off. Gonna start. Oh, and one of them's feared, so I'm gonna get trapped in this corner and die. Man, sometimes fear is good. Usually, nah. Usually ends up fucking me over. Because stuff exactly like that happens. Fucktown pill. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I just die. Just die. Thank you. You, unstoppable you. Nice. Good ghosts. Damage up, 0.19 damage up? Okay. Dark Bomb, do your thing. I'm getting the tears down. So what's going on? What's going on with that? Give me good pills. Don't I have them in rotation? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, come on. He's spitting out an enemy. He was incapacitated for a long time. Freezer baby, I'd love to, but no. Okay. Greed is always the worst. Is the worst of the sins, I think, to fight. Just because of his shot speed. It's so crazy. You barely get any warning before the shots he has fired are in your brain. Go in here, press spacebar. Damage, good. 0.4 damage. Very good. This room is going to kill me. Or at least do damage to me. Something in this room is going to go horribly wrong. Okay, I don't know why Gertie Jr. I guess he was feared. I was... Thanks, Dark Bomb. Hey, it's gold bombs. Because I have gold bombs at the moment. Oh, cool. Haunt in the tiny room. Sure do love fighting the Haunt, my favorite boss in the Binding of Isaac. Just eat it. Just eat it. Just eat it. Thanks. This is a very glass cannon-y run. It could be ended by one tough room. Oh, like this one. Like this tough room, actually. Okay, it's Curse of Darkness. I can't see them. I'm gonna be taking damage here. Just so you guys know.